If you want to quickly organize your tasks and projects, learning how to make a list in Todoist is one of the easiest ways to get started. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a list, choose the right view, add tasks fast, and even break your list into sections so everything stays organized. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Todoist and look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. This is where all of your projects live. To create a new list, click the plus icon next to projects. This opens the option to add a brand new project, which is basically how Todoist organizes lists. Now type the name of your list. You can call it something simple like grocery list, daily routine, work tasks, or anything that matches what you want to organize. Choosing a clear name makes it much easier to find later, especially if you plan on creating multiple lists inside Todoist. After naming your list, Todoist will ask you to choose a view style. You'll usually see two main options here. The first is List, which gives you a standard top-to-bottom layout. This is great if you want a simple checklist style and prefer to work through tasks one by one. The second is Board, which gives you a Kanban-style layout with columns. This is better if you like moving tasks between stages, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. Pick the view that matches the way you like to work. Once you've chosen your view, click Add. Todoist will create your new list right away and you'll be taken into that project so you can start adding items. Now that your list is ready, click Add Task inside your new project. This is where you enter the first item on your list. Type the name of the task or item and then press Enter. Todoist will instantly add it to your list, which makes it super fast to build out your project. You can keep typing and pressing Enter to add multiple items one after another. This is especially useful if you're building a grocery list, planning your day, or making a simple checklist. Instead of clicking around between every item, you can stay focused and enter everything quickly. If your list starts to get bigger, Todoist also lets you make a subsection. To do that, click Add Section. Sections are helpful when you want to divide one main list into smaller categories. For example, if you're building a grocery list, you could create sections like produce and dairy. That way, your list stays cleaner and much easier to scan. You can keep adding tasks under each section to group related items together. This makes a huge difference when you want more structure without creating a bunch of separate lists. It's one of the simplest ways to keep Todoist organized and easy to use every day. So to quickly recap, click the plus icon next to projects, name your list, choose list or board view, click add, then start adding tasks with add task and enter. If needed, use add section to split your list into smaller categories. That's really all it takes to make a list in Todoist. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.